Hey guys, doing a follow-up on the Tapo, our TP-Link's Tapo C100, the 6 months old, and just last week the power supply died on it. There's there, I believe this is 9 volt, 0.6 amp or MA. It started developing issues where the video, I'm using iSpy, and it would rain fade or drop out totally, and it did that for about a week, and just this morning I noticed it was off. Took this off, tested the voltage, it was 0 volts, so yeah, they're not very good. These solid state power supplies are pretty much junk. They're not made to last, they're made to work. You can I replaced it with a transformer based 9 volt 500 MA, and it's as you can see, it works just fine. No dropouts, very clean image. It was doing all kinds of rain fades. People would walk by and it was terrible. It's doing pretty good now. It even streams pretty good, and the Wi-Fi is very smooth. But I figured I'd bring that up. Usually when I do a review on something, if something dies, I let you know. So take it easy, guys.